The tribal communities in Orissa are a very specific group facing a very specific set of vulnerabilities. Their physical location, their social situation puts them at a lot of risk at times, we have seen in our work. While child marriages have been a traditional thing in India, unfortunately, the good news is that it has changed quite a lot in recent years. While overall in India child marriages are at a decline, we have seen that in tribal communities it is still quite a problem because of limited resources, because of limited opportunities for children as well as their families. Many girls are pushed into early marriages in these regions. EDUCO has been working to address this problem by not only engaging with parents, with government systems, but also actively working with the adolescents, with the girls and boys in these villages. We strongly believe that when they know that there are options, there are ways that they can pursue careers, they can really have a very different future other than their parents, we feel that that would change the situation drastically. Stories that we encounter in our work, like for example, there was recently a case of a 16-year-old girl whose marriage was fixed at the age of 15 years. Unfortunately, it could not be stopped in time. It was detected a bit later by the outreach workers, by the government departments, and by the time we could do something, the girl was pregnant. And today the girl is 16-year-old with a very small baby, and she is away from school. She does not have friends. She feels that whatever friends she had have now very different life, attending schools, whereas she is here at home taking care of a baby. It is very sad to see how such cases really reduce a girl's life to almost nothing.
Education system was very poor. Even there is no connectivity, no good infrastructures. Whatever service system was there, that is not in everywhere. So it is difficult the people to access the services from the government. And people are mostly living in the rural area, and their main occupation was like cultivation, and that also depend of the climate and everything. And almost all people are under the poverty line. This is the people's their daily life. Sometimes family also feel if adolescent is in the family, for their safety, security, they think for their marriage and to keep the family honor, so they arrange the marriage. This kind of the issues encouraging for the child marriage. Later on, different government programs came, different civil society organizations came, and they also feel that girls are somebody's property. Still, this feeling is there in the society, and that's why they give less priority their education. Study says whatever child mortality and mother mortality is there, and most of cases are the early marriage. They are the child. They cannot, if you see the social system, they cannot manage, once they get married in early age, they cannot manage whole family. Till that, we have stopped 35 child marriage cases. ICDS department, the child marriage prohibition officer and PREM and EDUCO together, we have stopped the child marriage cases.
We have seen that in a lot of cases, when a social worker or a government department is not able to identify any critical case in time, we have seen that these groups have played a very important role in coming to us and telling us, for example, a girl reaching out to us and saying, I saw that one friend of mine in the village, her parents are talking about her marriage, and I would like you to do something about it. I do not want my friend to get married. These groups also not only protect each other, keep an eye on each other, but they also do a lot of activities like, for example, cultural events in their villages, street plays in their villages, to help their own parents, their own community members to understand that a child marriage affects children, whether a girl or a boy, it changes their life completely. A recent report by the UN has given a very promising picture. It indicates that there is a decline of 69% among the child marriages for minor girls. and a decline of 72% among boys. This is very encouraging, I would say. However, there is still a long way to go. We have seen that if a family's social and economic situation is vulnerable, it really pushes their children into greater risks and possibilities of abuses. The age that they are in is to make friends, is to study, is to play together, not to get married or to take care of children at an age where they themselves need to be taken care of. A collective resolve, a collective promise to protect our children will definitely end child marriages in India.